OIC Japan channel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, we are going to make a chicken karaage. And I will show you guys on how to make a chicken karaage that is juicy in the inside but crispy and crunchy on the outside. So let's get started. Number 1 tips is baluting mabuti ng harina ang chicken. And then, ilagay sa deep frying pan ang chicken. And then, let us cook the chicken for about 1 minute on a medium-high heat. Tapos, hanguin natin siya. After natin siyang hanguin, let it rest for about 30 seconds. And then, ibalik natin ulit siya sa frying pan. The second tips is to fry it twice. Yes, guys, ipapry natin na 2 beses ang ating chicken. And fry it of about 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. Occasionally, flip over the chicken para balance sa pagkakaluto. And then, cook it 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Just repeat the process, guys, to cook all the chicken. Ayan, guys, yan ang secret sa juicy in the inside and crunchy and crispy on the outside. Ilagay na natin ang ating chicken karaage sa bed of lettuce. Ayan, guys. So, diba? It looks yummy. At lagyan natin ng Japanese mayonnaise sauce with the 7 spice, the Shichimi Togarashi. Wow! And now, the tasting time. Okay, look at this, guys. Oishii. Yummy. I hope you like our recipe today. Try to make a chicken karaage, guys. It is yummy and easy to make. And thank you for watching. And see you on my next videos. Mata ne! Thank you for the support, guys. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye.